What are we gonna do?
We're going to prepare marinade for our whole chicken, and you said you have to prepare it 4 hours before.
Yeah, so the marinade needs to sit and marinate
for 4 hours
before you put it on the.
So these are the ingredients too: chili sauce, soy sauce, chili powder, oil, garlic powder, and brown sugar.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Okay, garlic powder.
Yeah. 2 teaspoons of that.
That's for 1 whole chicken.
Yeah. Then 2 tablespoons of oil.
Mm-hmm.
2 tablespoons of brown sugar.
Yeah, I had to put it in a container, guys.
Okay. Half a deciliter of soy sauce. And then 3 tablespoons of the chili sauce.
Mm-hmm.
1 tablespoon of paprika powder, the chili powder.
I can't put 1 tablespoon of this, I won't eat it then.
Put half a tablespoon.
Don't know if you're planning to bar me.
2 of that is half a teaspoon.
And then you forgot this one.
Yeah, I forgot to bring out that one.
Yeah.
So this is a barbecue spice.
Mm-hmm.
And of that one we need 2 tablespoons.
Mm-hmm.
Mixy, mixy, mixy.
Mix it all together.
And if it's too firm, then you add water, but that looks perfect.
Yeah, this is perfect.
Yeah.
There's no fair.
Now it's going to be covered in cling film and then in the fridge.
So the marinade has been marinating for 4 hours. Wow, it's now thick.
Yeah.
So guys, we've marinated the hen,
The chicken.
the chicken,
Chicken.
the chicken. He's cracked black pepper into our organic chicken, and now we're about to put it in the oven and then cook it for 200 degrees fan for 40 to 45 minutes, and then it's ready.
When this one comes out, a new pack of foil.
Okay.
While it's resting, then we'll do the chips.
That chicken is ready, guys. Look at the color. Look at this masterpiece. Nice, right? It looks so moist as well. If you're finding value to our videos, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, share and subscribe if you're not already a subscriber. It really does make a huge difference to the channel, and we will see you guys on the next video. Don't forget to keep smiling and stay positive.